How to fix Age of Empires 4 stuttering on Windows. 1. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Change your PC's power plan. 3. Enable high graphics. Performance for Ages of Empire 4's relic cardinal.exe. Like this. 4. Install the latest. Windows updates. 5. Lower in-game settings. Image quality, lighting quality, texture detail and geometry detail. 6. Temporarily disable syncing some gaming data. C:\users \left bracket your username \documents my games Age of Empires 4 to OneDrive.